All right, let's get straight to it. You've got a check in your hand. Maybe it's a paycheck, a tax refund, or even a lottery win. Fingers crossed for you. And you're thinking, can I just slap this bad boy onto my Acorns account? Well, hold that thought. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns and check cashing. Acorns, for those who are new to the party, is essentially a micro-investing app. It's designed to help you, the everyday person, start investing, even if you only have spare change. You round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and that extra change gets invested. Pretty cool, right? But it's not a bank. Now, back to our burning question, does Acorns cash checks? The short answer is no. Acorns isn't set up to handle physical checks. It's more of a digital investment platform. Think of it as a garden for your money to grow, not a place to deposit your freshly cut grass clippings, or checks, in this case. But don't fret. Just because Acorns can't cash your check doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are plenty of other ways to get your hands on that sweet, sweet cash. Let's break down some options. Your bank, this is probably the most obvious choice. Most banks offer check cashing services either in person or through their mobile app. It's usually a quick and easy process, and you get your money instantly. Check cashing stores, these places specialize in cashing checks. You'll typically pay a fee for this service, so it's important to compare rates before choosing a store. Mobile check deposit, if your bank offers mobile check deposit, you can simply snap a picture of your check with your phone and deposit it directly into your account. This is often a free service and can save you a trip to the bank. Peer-to-peer payment apps. Some peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo or Cash App allow you to deposit checks. However, there might be limits on the amount you can deposit, and it might take a few days for the funds to clear. So, while Acorns is fantastic for growing your money over time, it's not the place to cash your checks. But don't worry, there are plenty of other options available to you. Now, let's talk about some common check cashing scams. It's important to be aware of these so you can protect yourself. One common scam involves fake checks. Someone might try to pay you with a fake check and then ask you to wire the money back. Don't fall for it. Always verify the check is real before cashing it. Another scam involves charging excessive fees. Some check cashing places may charge exorbitant fees. Shop around and compare rates before cashing your check. To sum it up, Acorns is a great tool for investing, but it's not a check cashing service. There are plenty of other options available to you, so choose the one that best suits your needs. And remember, always be cautious of check cashing scams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.